Hi, let's make one of the easiest and delicious desserts you can ever find. If you have friends coming over, you have all your meals planned out, but you don't know what to serve for dessert, here is a lovely, perfect idea. So let's get started, guys. As you can see, it looks lovely. I am Platinum Diner and I serve you homemade meal ideas. First, you get your whipping powder. Guys, like I said, if you've watched my previous videos, I love this whipping powder so much. So it is easy to make and easy to get going. So easy to work with. Add some full cream milk to your whipping powder. This milk, you can also get it from the stores. It's just a full cream milk. Whip and whip and whip till it is fluffy. Like I said, whip till perfection, guys. Like it's going on top speed. This is the top speed of this whipping machine. Whisk it till it is fluffy, guys, just like this, guys. Set aside by covering and placing it in the fridge where it will cool down. Get your strawberries, slice them up. Just slice them to this shape, guys. You can see the shape I'm slicing it into. If you like this shape, you can do it, or you can also devise another shape that you love. This shape is just perfect for this recipe. Get your strawberries in place like I am just doing now, and when you are done with the strawberries, we check out for the next step. Guys, this is one of the easiest quick recipes you can ever make. Like, these strawberries are ripe. I love the color, it's red. If you've been watching my videos, you notice I love colors. I love bursts of colors, guys. So this is the strawberries we are using. We are done with our strawberries, getting everything set, and we get this cake. This is a homemade cake, but you can quickly rush to a store and get cake. Get a good cake and top your whipped cream on this cake. You have friends coming over and you want them to have a lovely dessert you made yourself. Top your strawberries, guys. We slice some strawberries, we top it, and guys, this is it. Our dessert is ready. You can place it in the fridge while you wait for your friends or your guests to come over. Let's slice into it and see what it will look like when you serve it, guys. You see how easy it is. You will love it. Everyone will love it and will always remember your lovely dessert. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you love this video. Stay tuned for more food content.